Losing a loved one is never easy, but the funeral doesn't have to be a sorrowful event. Instead, you can choose to celebrate their life, a positive final send-off that honors their memory. So, how do you plan a celebration of life? While people can plan their own, most leave it to loved ones. It's similar to planning any gathering. There's a venue, food, and activities. But what makes it special is how it's geared toward remembering your loved one. The most important detail is to reflect their passions. A celebration of life is unique to the individual, and this guide will help you plan a beautiful, meaningful event for your loved one. A celebration of life gives family and friends a way to say goodbye. It's an end-of-life ceremony focused on honoring someone's life, not just their passing. While it's a celebration, it might still include traditional elements like readings or formal attire. But it could be casual too. Whatever feels right for the person being remembered. So what's the difference between a funeral and a celebration of life? A funeral is often more somber, focused on the loss, with the body present. A celebration of life is about sharing stories, cherishing memories, and honoring a life well lived. Now let's talk about how to plan a celebration of life. Step 1. Focus on the mourners. What will help them say goodbye? What activities will best honor your loved one's memory? Step 2. Invite ideas from those closest to them. It's a chance for everyone to feel involved, sharing their own ways to remember and celebrate. Step 3. Set a budget. Celebrations of life can range from a small gathering to a larger event, costing anywhere from a couple of $1,000s to 5 figures. Think about the venue, food, and decorations that fit your plan. Step 4. Pick a venue, send invitations, and set the date. The choice of venue will help set the tone, whether it's a family home, a park, or a favorite spot of your loved one. Step 5. Plan the food and beverages. A potluck is a heartfelt way to share memories, or you can hire a caterer to serve your loved one's favorite meal. Step 6. Music, readings, and speakers will add depth to the event. Choose meaningful songs, invite people to share stories, and consider having an MC to guide the flow of the day. For help, check out Trustworthy's free eulogy tool at trustworthy.com/eulogy-writer, which will help you quickly craft a meaningful tribute. Step 7. Display photos and videos of remembrance. Find the pictures that truly capture the spirit of your loved one and create a space for guests to reflect on those moments. Step 8. Think about group activities, whether it's planting a tree, releasing lanterns, or sharing stories around a memory board. These activities help everyone feel connected and offer comfort. Step 9. Pick a theme for venue decorations, perhaps based on your loved one's favorite color or hobby. This personal touch brings their personality into the room. Finally, Step 10. Set an order of events. From welcome speeches to the time for food, a plan helps ensure everything runs smoothly. There's no right or wrong way to celebrate a life. From backyard barbecues to scavenger hunts at their favorite places, what matters most is that the day reflects the beautiful life your loved one lived. At Trustworthy, we understand how important it is to plan for the future. With our digital platform, you can organize, store, and share essential estate planning documents, like your celebration of life wishes, so your family is prepared. Visit trustworthy.com to learn more about how we can help you ensure your family has everything it needs when the time comes. Because life is a beautiful thing, worth celebrating.